Snow, and this is my small camping stove that I have bought off Amazon for $140. Comes with about a 2.5-inch stainless steel exhaust pipe. I have it set up on a larger wood stove for indoor use and cooking. So right now it's just tapped into a 6-inch chimney with some insulation to make up the difference to seal the leak. But unlike every other small stove on the market, this one has a special add-on. As you can see, it has a platinum palladium catalytic converter burner system, and this is actually forged from a Mercedes diesel car from the mid-90s. I've cut them into wafers and placed them into the top of the unit, and I've shut off the air basically to the fire, so we only have secondary air that comes through here. And this is again a platinum palladium oxidative catalytic converter from an early diesel. And as you can see, I've opened the lid. There's fire inside, smoking in the bottom, and no smoke leaking into the house when I lift the lid. It is nearly doubled the combustion efficiency on this stove. And basically it's just a automotive catalytic converter. So this is a small experiment, and it appears to be successful. Let me know what you think.